How to lock WhatsApp chat without any app. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back with a new tutorial. Today's video is based on how you can lock WhatsApp chat without any app. In order to lock your WhatsApp chat, first of all, update your WhatsApp application. After that, it's going to take you to the WhatsApp chat page. In order to lock your WhatsApp chat, what you'll need to do is you need to click on the contact or the user of which you actually want to lock the chat. So click on their name, which is right on top. After that, scroll down a bit, go to chat lock. Here you need to enable chat lock with fingerprint. You can also do it with a pin. After that, click on the view lock, and as you can see, this is a locked contact. Now you can see there is a locked contact, so click on it in order to unlock it and to see the messages that the person has sent you. So if you want to disable this, then do the same procedure. Go to your username, go to the username, click on chat lock. After that, toggle the switch and disable the chat lock feature. So in this way you can lock WhatsApp chat without any app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.